Oh, we know this one. You're not getting us this. Oh! I can't believe that Merrick just got bulldozed like that. Who do we think's behind that wheel?
Maybe his parents have had enough of the cough dance prank. There's only so many times you could feel for your kid, think he's choking.
Yeah, that's the dangers with pranking these days. You never know when somebody's had enough, and it looks like his family's had enough of his pranks.
Was it his brother? I know we've seen the brother and the mother in his videos with him. It's got to be one of those two. I mean, those are prime suspects.
Maybe to the brother, this was just a harmless prank as well.
He thought he was messing around, didn't realize he was driving a 20-ton vehicle that could cause more harm than he really intended to in the first place.
Yeah, I think we're going to need a follow-up story on this. Is Merrick alive, or has he coughed his last cough?
Gotta get the FBI on this immediately.